Namaste dear students and dear parents, how are you all? Welcome to RD online classes. Before starting today's topic, let's see the resources. First is content book, second workbook, third notebook and a pencil. Wow, good. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to ask the question from the previous topic. Now I am going to show you some animals pictures and you have to tell about the breathing organs. Yes, we have read about the breathing organs, like we breathe through lungs. So we will be talking about the animals. So see the picture one by one and I will be asking the questions. Just let me know about this animal. What is this? It's a crocodile. Yes, a crocodile breathes through its lungs. Very good. But it can't breathe in the water, so it's come up and take a long breath and then move inside the water. Next is this is a fish. A fish breathes through its gills. Yes, correct. Now have a look what it is. It is a pigeon. Yes, and how it breathes through lungs. Very good. Now look at this, what it is. A turtle. Yes, and it breathes through its skin in the water and with lungs in the on the land. Now see this. And what about this? It's an insect and it's breathe through its sparkles. Now see this. This is a lion, king of jungle. Yes, it breathes through its lungs. Just have a look what it is. A dolphin. Yes, and how it breathes? Through gills? No, through lungs. Very good. Now I will be asking some little bit question regarding the today's topic. Let me know how do you write with the help of your fingers and hands. Okay, wow. How do you speak? What organ do you use to speak? A mouth, lips and a tongue. Wow. And what about walking? How do you walk? With the help of legs. Yes, correct. So today we are going to talk about the movement of animals, means which organ they use for movement. So let's see what is our topic. Our topic number 4 is organs for movement, right? The aim, how an animal body is adapted to help it move in its habitat. मीन्स आज हम देखेंगे कि जो एनिमल की जो बॉडी है वो उसको कैसे अनुकूल बनाती है, कैसे कंफर्टेबल बनाती है कि वो अपने हैबिटेट में मूव कर सके, चल सके, राइट? नाउ लेट मी नो हाउ डू यू वॉक लाइक दिस with the help of legs. Yes, suppose you are in water, what you will do? You will hop or you will fly. What you will do? We can't walk on the water. We don't have such type of organs that we can walk. We can swim in the water. That is a different thing. So today we are going to talk about the animals, right? Now let me know why this animal, which animal it is? It's a kangaroo. Yes. Why a kangaroo needs to hop? Why it hop? Why don't it walk or run? The kangaroo hop because the hinds, see the back legs, these are known as the hind. The hind of the kangaroo are so long, so they can't walk or they can't run. That is the reason they jumps a lot. But other animals, like, have a look, see this zebra, it's having the 4 limbs, आगे वाले पैर है and पीछे वाले पैर है, hinds. So hinds are not so long like the kangaroos. See the difference between these two This is the reason they run and they can walk easily, but it cannot run or the walk. Now I'm going to tell you one amazing fact regarding kangaroo. Kangaroo is the only animal that cannot move backward. यानी उल्टा तो नहीं चल सकता. Wow. Now name some more animals that hops. Rabbit, deer, mountain goat, yes, and of course the kangaroo. Now let me know, why do the animals needs to move from one place to another? They move to find the food, to escape from danger. Yes. Now there are two words. Just see on the board. One is a locomotion and next is a movement. Let me know what is the difference between them. Have you heard the word locomotion? नहीं सुना है? Okay, I'm going to tell you. बहुत easy है. Locomotion. If I'm here, suppose I'm here, यहाँ मैं हूँ, and if I'm walking from here to here, so it means I have done the locomotion. मैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चलेगी. It is known as the locomotion. But the movement means I am here, I am on a one place. मैं stable हूँ, but my hands are moving, or I am doing my legs like this, or I am blinking my eyes. This is called movement of the body. This is called going from one place to another, and this is called the movement of a body part. Any part it can be fingers. It's the movement of my finger. It's not locomotion, right? Next, this movement is slow. Is slow speed में होता है, but locomotion स्पीड होती है. लाइक हम चल रहे हैं, स्पीड है हमारी, हम रनिंग करेंगे तो हमारी और स्पीड बढ़ेगी. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हिच ऑर्गन्स डू एनिमल यूज फॉर लोकोमोशन? जाने के लिए एक जगह दूसरी जगह, व्हिच ऑर्गन दे यूज? They use legs. Okay. What about then fish, then birds? Today we are going to talk on this with the help of an activity. For the activity, what you are going to do? You have to open your S4. Ready? I am going to show you. You just have a look. This is the S4 of page number 32. So what you will do? You have to see the pictures. Like first picture is of fish. Second is of wasp. Tataya, na? Third is the duck or the crane, and the fourth one is the penguin. अब आपने करना क्या है? You have to see how they move from one place to another. Means what organ do they use for locomotion? So now what you will be doing? You will be making this table in your notebook. One is the animal's name. Next is the organ used for locomotion. Means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए वो क्या use करते हैं. And you have to write the examples also. Now the first picture was of fish. Second was of wasp. Third was of duck. And fourth, I don't have, you can use, and that I told you that it was a penguin. So penguin. So you have to write how the fish will be going from one place. अगर इसको यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, so how the fish will be going, what organ it will be using. Same with the wasp. उसको यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, so what organ it will be using. Next is the duck. How a duck used to go from one place to another, means वो locomotion कैसे करती है. And then next is the penguin. You will write the organ name. किस organ के through वो जाती है एक जगह दूसरी जगह. एंड देन द एग्जाम्पल्स. लाइक अगर आपने फिश का लिखा है कि फिश ऐसे जाती है, उस ऑर्गन के थ्रू और कौन से एनिमल हैं जो लोकोमोशन करते हैं. यू हैव टू राइट एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स, राइट? यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर कंटेंट बुक ऑफ पेज नंबर 29, the paragraph organs of movement in animals, if you are not able to understand the little bit the organs. Okay, just have a look how I have done the activity, the names of the animals, then the organs and the examples. I hope you all have done the activity in a good manner. Now let's discuss what we have done in the activity. Now name the organs which animal use for locomotion? मीन्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए कौन कौन से ऑर्गन यूज करते हैं? द ऑर्गन्स, द एनिमल्स यूज ऑर्गन्स फॉर लोकोमोशन used by animals are, the first one is the fins. Very good. Next is the flippers. Very good. Okay. Next, the wings. Yes. Next, webbed feet. Okay. What else? What about the snake? Snake use its scales. And what about the land animals? They use legs. Good. So let's start with the legs. All the land animals, they have the legs. They have the limbs. ठीक है? That is the four limbs and the hind limbs. Four limbs होते हैं आगे वाले पैर और hind limb होते हैं पीछे वाले पैर. Like for example, I am going to show you in the zebra. This is the four limbs and these are the hind limbs. So ये जो animals होते हैं ये अपने four limbs और hind limbs की help से वॉक करते हैं, रन करते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फिन्स. जो इन फिश दे डोंट हैव द लेग्स, सो देयर लेग्स बिकम्स द फिन्स. उनके जो पंख बन जाते हैं, फिन्स, फिन्स मतलब फिश का पंख, वो पंख बन जाते हैं एंड दे स्विम इन द वाटर. नेक्स्ट कम द फ्लिपर्स. तो फ्लिपर्स जो होते हैं दे आर इन द पैंगुइन. पैंगुइन होगी, वी हैव द व्हेल्स आल्सो, वी हैव द वॉलरस आल्सो, वी हैव डॉल्फिन. सो दे आर आल्सो हैविंग द लाइक विंग्स. उनके भी वो विंग्स होते हैं बट दे आर लिटिल बिट ब्रॉडर एंड दे हेल्प देम इनटू स्विमिंग. वो स्विमिंग करने के लिए बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. बहुत स्पीडली दे कैन स्विम विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फ्लिपर्स. नेक्स्ट कम द विंग्स. नेक्स्ट कम द विंग्स. The wings are in the insects and the birds. Insects और birds में wings होते हैं and जो हमारे animals के जो four limbs होते हैं वो birds में उनके wings बन जाते हैं. The wings are covered with the help of feathers. वो feathers से पूरे covered होते हैं. Same with the insects. They become the wings. Wings बन जाते हैं. जो insects होते हैं they have the legs also to walk. Like spider have the 8 legs. Then the ants have 4 legs. Caterpillar is having 12 or the 16 legs. So they walk through their legs. Next comes the webbed feet. जो webbed feet होते हैं they look like this. They have the membrane in it. So these are in the ducks. Then we have the frogs, then we have the crocodile. इनके होते हैं and they help them to wade in the water. Wade होता है घूमना. घूमने के लिए वो water में help out करते हैं and they swim also with the help of these webbed feet. Next come the scales. As you know, the scales, the snakes have the scales. They don't have the legs, so they don't have the fins. They don't have the wings. They don't have the legs. So the scales help a snake to move on the land. वो land में जब move करता है तो the snakes की help से वो move करता है. Now let me know what are the ways in which the animals move. Okay, see here. The animals move in the ways like running. Running करते हैं. They walk. They swim. They hop, jumping. They jump. They climb, चढ़ना. They crawl, रेंगना, like a snake crawls. They glide, उड़ना, like this. And then they wriggle. Wriggle means लुढ़की मारना, गुलाटियाँ मारना. Now let me know how do the body parts of the animals help them to move in their surroundings. The organs for locomotion had adapted to their surroundings. उन्होंने अपने आप को उनके जो organs हैं उन्होंने अपने आप को इस तरीके से बना लिया है कि that they can move, they can do locomotion in any area. वो वैसे move कर सकते हैं. Like for example, the monkey, है ना? The monkey use their limbs to climb. Same with the leopard. They use their limbs to climb. Limbs, you know, na? Limbs in the front legs. Now, I want to ask a question like, how do the body of some animals help them in locomotion? Yes, some animals like the which have the fish or the bird, they have the streamlined shape. उनकी इस तरह की shape होती है, streamlined shape. Either the fish or a bird. So this helps them to swim faster and to fly in the air. Streamlined body or the boat-shaped body of the birds and of the fish help them to move fast. As you have seen some of the insects like the spiders or some ants or even the mosquitoes, they used to walk on the water. Why is it so? How they can walk on the water? The reason? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Just have a look. These are the molecules of water, right? The molecules of water are attracted with each other. वो आपस में attract होते हैं, ठीक है? So they are attracted with each other. But the last, these upper that molecules, they don't have any attraction over here. So what do they invert? They attract inward. वो inward उल्टी side में attract करते हैं, ठीक है? Instead of going upward, it comes downwards. So when they come this side, so they makes a surface tension. एक surface tension ये बना देते हैं यहाँ पर. This surface, this is called a surface tension, and this surface tension is of a surface. This is called as a surface membrane also. So it's work like a surface membrane. Membrane होता है एक बहुत झिल्ली, like if you have seen an onion, तो onion का जो अंदर से हम peel निकालेंगे वो बहुत पतला होता है, that is known as the membrane. So this works as a membrane. So whenever any, suppose there is any ant, है ना? So if ant wants to like go on the water, so if it sits here, so the weight of the ant, its weight is very light, बहुत हल्का होता है weight इसके surface membrane से, so it is easily can walk on the water. Next thing is that whenever it is on the water, so their legs are spread like this, far. So if the far spreads are like this, so all the legs are putting the force on different direction. This is the reason they are easily able to walk on the water. Now read page number 29 of content book. The heading is organs of movement in animals. Now the homework is that you have to do question number 6, 7 and 8 of page number 30. Question number 6 is, why do ducks and crocodile have webbed feet? उनके webbed feet क्यों होते हैं? ठीक है? Next, how are the wings of penguins different from the birds? Birds से कैसे different है? And how do they help penguins survive in their habitat? और जो उसके जो penguin के जो wings होते हैं वो penguin को कैसे help करते हैं उसके habitat में survive करने के लिए. I'm going to tell you one amazing fact regarding the penguin. एक emperor penguin होती है ना? Emperor penguin का जो कोई बेबी उसके डेथ हो जाती है तो जो एम्परर पेंगुइन है वो किसी और के बेबी को अडॉप्ट कर लेती है, किसी और के बेबी को चोरी कर लेती है. 8th क्वेश्चन इज दैट ज़ीब्रा हैव स्ट्राइप्स ऑन देयर बॉडी. ज़ीब्रा की बॉडी पे लाइंस होती हैं. हाउ डज दिस अडेप्टेशन हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव इन देयर हैबिटेट? तो ज़ीब्रा को कैसे हेल्प मिलता है वो जो स्ट्राइप्स उसको अपने हैबिटेट में सर्वाइव करने के लिए. So let's sum up. I hope you all have done the activity and you have enjoyed the class. So let's see what we have learned in this chapter. We have read about the organs for locomotion. The animals have the legs. They have the limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The fish have the fins to swim in the water. The legs are used for walking, running, jumping. Webbed feet are used by the ducks, the frogs and the crocodile to wade, यानी चलने के लिए in the water. Then the scales are used by the snakes for the movement. Then the flippers are used by the penguin, the walrus, the dolphin, the whale for swimming in the water. And next comes the wind. Now the homework is that you have to do question number 6, 7 and 8 of page number 30. Question number 6 is, why do ducks and crocodile have webbed feet? उनके webbed feet क्यों होते हैं? ठीक है? Next, how are the wings of penguins different from the birds? Birds से कैसे different है? And how do they help penguins survive in their habitat? और जो उसके जो penguin के जो wings होते हैं वो penguin को कैसे help करते हैं उसके habitat में survive करने के लिए? I'm going to tell you one amazing fact regarding the penguin. एक एम्परर पेंगुइन होती है ना, एम्परर पेंगुइन का जो कोई बेबी उसके डेथ हो जाती है तो जो एम्परर पेंगुइन है वो किसी और के बेबी को अडॉप्ट कर लेती है, किसी और के बेबी को चोरी कर लेती है. एट क्वेश्चन इज दैट जीब्रा हैव स्ट्राइप्स ऑन देयर बॉडी. जीब्रा की बॉडी पे लाइंस होती हैं. हाउ डज दिस अडेप्टेशन हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव इन देयर हैबिटेट? तो जीब्रा को कैसे हेल्प मिलता है वो जो स्ट्राइप्स उसको अपने हैबिटेट में सर्वाइव करने के लिए. So let's sum up. I hope you all have done the activity and you have enjoyed the class. So let's see what we have learned in this chapter. We have read about the organs for locomotion. We have the animals have the legs. They have the limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The fish have the fins to swim in the water. The legs are used for walking, running, jumping. Webbed feet are used by the ducks, the frogs and the crocodile to wade यानी चलने के लिए in the water. Then the scales are used by the snakes for the movement. Then the flippers are used by the penguin, the walrus, the dolphin, the whale for swimming in the water. And next comes the wing. Birds use their wings for flying, and the insects also use their wings for flying. Some insects walk with their help of legs. Thank you and have a nice day.